Hey Katie, I have super oily skin, and I was wondering if you had something you could make for me for that.
Yes. So I have a great recipe. It's called Citrus Face Mist. It's a DIY hydrosol that we're gonna make using citrus oils and juniper berry. And you'll spray it on your face when you're starting to feel greasy. It'll help reset your makeup. It'll help shrink pores and help wake you up because it's that citrus aroma.
Sure.
So for this recipe, you will need a 1/4 cup of hot distilled water, 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 2 drops of citrus burst, and 1 drop of juniper berry. You'll also want a coffee filter and a spray bottle.
Okay.
Let's get going. So get your hot water, put it in a container that you can cover. So we'll add the essential oils. So 2 drops of citrus burst, 2 drops of grapefruit, and 1 drop of juniper berry. So now we're gonna cover it, and what this is gonna do is as the steam rises from the hot water, it'll condense on top of the lid and fall back in. So we're gonna let this cool down for about 20 minutes or so. Once it's cooled down, we're going to filter it through a coffee filter so that we take out those droplets of oil. Instead, we're gonna have a DIY hydrosol, which is water with the benefits of an essential oil, but at a much more diluted rate.
Perfect, so it's safe to put on like pretty much everything.
Yep. So we will let that cool and then we'll put it through the filter. Once that has cooled down, we'll put it through the coffee filter. So if you wanna grab that jar and that coffee filter, thank you. Yep. And we'll pour it through there so that we don't see any oil droplets in this water. If some fall through, run it through a filter again. So once you filter that, double check that you don't see any droplets of oil in there. It's looking pretty clear. And then we're gonna put it in a spray bottle, which if you're a subscriber, this comes in your monthly box along with the essential oils for this recipe. So distilled water works best for this. It will last longer, it'll have a longer shelf life, but if you don't have that, you can use tap water. And then you'll wanna label it so you remember what your recipe is, and then your face mist is ready to go. You ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Smells good. You can also use it as like a light perfume.
Yeah, it feels nice on your face too.
So it'll help shrink pores. If you're using a powdered makeup, it'll help set that. And it's just a great uplifting way to refresh you throughout your day.
Perfect.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So to check out more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com and subscribe to our recipe box.
You can also check out our blog, which is great recipes as well.
See you later. All right, we're back.
So now